I make it. The floor never clean. Ready? Good job. Ooh. Hey you guys, good morning. Yes, Brianna. Brianna's all up in my business. I have to get me some creamer. It's a powder kind because baby, the cream is not creaming because I hate when my coffee turns cold when I use cream. This is too warm. You see a little smoke coming up, but this is very warm. I can just drink this one shot. I don't like that. And I forgot to tell you guys that Brianna is actually walking. Brianna's been walking before her birthday. Brianna's been walking. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Brianna's been walking like for a few weeks now. Way before her birthday. You going, eh? You going? See you later, girl. See you later. Ugh. Good morning guys. Anyway, so it looks like this is going to be like a host vlog. The weather is gloomy, girl. It is gloomy. I know I look like yesterday, but I promise you I showered and everything. Okay, Gucci clean, mug clean. Yeah. Anyway, so I went to bed like around 2 o'clock this morning because I was online looking for a camera all night. In my last vlog, I was trying to tell y'all that my camera, my phone, yeah, I got to go. Like, I deleted all of my apps in order to record and edit my videos. I have to keep on deleting my apps. And that's too much. Like, deleting it, putting it back on my phone this time. Bitch, just gonna stay off. Then I paid for an app on my phone. It's basically like Netflix, but it's more educational. So yeah, I paid for that, and that's on my phone. I cannot delete that, and I think that's holding a lot. I think that's holding a lot of space. But yeah, I was up till 2 o'clock looking for a camera. What's in my budget, baby? Those $80-something camera and $100 camera, baby, they are horrible. I was trying to see if I can get it on the low, but they're horrible. Listen, I don't know, but recording, like starting from the bottom, like recording off your phone and stuff, like I don't start from the bottom. But them cameras on Amazon and shit, baby, they from the bottom. They like webcam. They giving me webcam vibes. Yeah, I can't get with it. No, sir, no. But I'm still looking, man. The one I saw is a Canon. That's the old school Canon, the big fat one. I think that's what it's called. I'm looking at the Canon and the Sony. I'm just gonna have to save up my money and just buy one of them. But for now, I'm just gonna go and get a mic and stuff like that because I want to do like sit down content as well. So that's why I haven't been posting a lot because, girl, it's hard on these streets. So I made a decision to delete all my apps. I had to delete TikTok, my WhatsApp, which I communicate with my family on that, but they just have to call me on regular line, like on my cell phone, if they want to reach me. I had to delete YouTube Studio, my Shein account, just basically all of my apps. I delete. Now the only thing left for me is to clean out my gallery. I don't basically do that. It gets really frustrating when I have to record and there's no space, or when it's time to edit. When I already edit the video, they tell me the video cannot save because I don't have enough storage. I edit off my phone as well. Girl, it's a lot. That's just a little on, girl. It's also gonna be a host vlog, so yeah. Hey y'all, anyway, so I just talked home because um we have a laundry appointment in the morning, so I had to came home to get some clothes so I can wash. Yeah. No, I come here for my clothes and I drop it back home. Oh, it's not. I know y'all might see me by Brianna's father a lot, but yeah, I still be home. So the clothes are here. Y'all know the only thing I have to do is take them with the bag because they're already fold, wash, clean. I can smell it through the bag. I can smell the fabric softener. Ooh, child. Anyways, y'all, so I'm back. Brought my clothes back home. Now I need to make up his bed because I took my sheet off the bed so I can wash. And guess what? The cat was locked up in my room for a few days. Okay, and he had the tissue, everything tied up on the bed. I was so thankful that he didn't piss and shit in here. Okay, I was mad. I had to remove all my blankets, everything to wash. I don't play that. I don't play that. I don't like animals in my bed. No, so no, man. I don't care if we go into the vet. Yeah, you can have your own bed. Yeah, that's right. So that's what I'm doing right now. Making up my bed. Anyways, y'all, I just had to put up Brianna clothes, my clothes. My clothes be in the basket, either in the basket or I hang some of my clothes up, but I had to put Brianna clothes on big hangers because the little small hangers are by her father, so that's that. I probably have to tell him bring some, but yeah. Anyways, guys, so I'll see you guys in the morning. I slick down my hair and I keep on sweating. I need to let this dry properly. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the morning or just in this vlog here. Bye.